Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. Hello, Cardano fans. I have for you an exclusive video about Cardano. Let's together look together to Cardano. Let's look to performance. Cardano here 752% and Bitcoin makes 200%. You see, Cardano makes a lot of profits here. You see. I expected that the Bitcoin price something like that. You see, wonderful. Look at every blind man see this here. Left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and then we will go to the top side. Yeah. And you see, we have the possibility at Bitcoin to go to 400%. What that means for Cardano, yeah, you see the prices here at these levels, and now we have to decide will the price go to the top side or not. We have here 2 points or important actions in this area. Yeah, one is this here, one is this spike, and one is this today. So we're looking to these points here, then you see a similar formation like Bitcoin and how can I say Bitcoin and Cardano. Now we delete Bitcoin so that we can say okay and work with the page of us side of Cardano. So let's look. We have these 3 segments here, and then we know, okay, at the Bitcoin chart, that the Bitcoin chart will go here to the top side. Yeah. So we have here, we have now the chart of Cardano, and many of you show the chart but not understand. They say they see, okay, since 1 month we go to the sideways. Should I sell or not? Yeah. But this is clear that we have here a neckline and we have here a resistance line. Yeah, that means we have to test these levels again. Yeah, that means look at that. We have here we are at the level of $1.20 and now $1.50 have to be tested. Yeah, this is our target. The next target is 150. So what happens after 150? Let's look. We have to look to Bitcoin price again to understand in which direction we can go. And we see something like that. Yeah, I would say that that this point is for us the critical point. Yeah, so then we delete this and make for us a good formation like that. Yeah, I think Cardano will explode to the top side. The reason is that we get here a triangle that gets closer and closer. That means really that we have to be that we have to go to the top side. Let's look. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, we break this to the top side. Yeah. I think more like that. So that is more realistic here. But let's look more in detail. So I think we have a really possibility to go to $2 here. Let's look. But this is not the end. We will go directly if we break the $2 more to the top side. Yeah. Let's look more detail. We have here then a resistance. We will fall here at this levels back. Yeah. And then some really good formation we will see here. We see here a hammer. Yeah? That means after this point, this is the lowest level, the price will explode to the top side. And if you want to know which price is this, please contact me in the Wolf Exclusive Club. I would say to you the next target. Not the next target, I mean the end target, yeah. And you were wondering how the price will go directly to the top side. I think you can forget here these levels here, $1 levels. I think these levels are peanuts because this structure here, you can see also with your eyes, has the power to really go to the top side here. Yeah? So I think if we make a step back and then look, then we can see that we have here a resistance line. That means we stay at these lines and we will never come back. So I think, look, this is our resistance line. I can show you this again here. Look, do you see this? And once we break this neckline and the resistance line, you can forget these targets here. Here, I mean this here. Yeah, new targets are much higher than this here. So let's look. I have to look. Give me please time. Yes, we will explode to the top side, and you will not recognize Cardano again. Yeah, you look to the price, then you would say, is this a Cardano? Because we will explode here to the top side. Let's look. Yes, I think we will see here much higher prices. Also here, you can see the pressure. We have here a triangle. And from the timelining, if you look to this here, we have not so much time. If you look here, the next movement is, if you look to this here, I think the next movement is here in this area, beginning of April. And mid of April, we will see here the jump to the top side, I think. Yeah. And then the next target is beginning. Then we see a low price. And after that, we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder. The next movement, what you see here, after the fall, yeah, and at these levels, very aggressive formation to the top side begins here, yeah. And the channel is then not so, the channel is in this way. And that means the price of Cardano will explode, yeah. So let's look. So I think we have a relative good level to the top side, and I think I want not say a target here, but if you come in the Wolf Exclusive Club, you get here these targets, because that is huge what we will see here. Yeah? I think. Let's look. I have to look again. Oh my God, that is huge. Look, if imagine, I will not say here any targets, but imagine if we go and break this line here at $3.20. yeah, and make a formation to these levels here, then I think we will see here much higher prices. Yeah, if we break this $3 levels here, yeah, then you can forget the $1. Then you see here targets with two numbers, I think. Yeah. So have a nice day. If you want the targets, please contact me in the Wealth Exclusive Club. Have a nice day.